got up early to come to the Pines. I haven't been in a while. And I wanted to use, it's a new chair I got that I could bring with me places, and it's small. So it's all in here. I've never set it up. This is actually the first time I'm opening it. So hopefully all the pieces are here. So that's obviously the seat. And this is B-I-S-I-N-N-A. Bisina. But yeah, I wanted to get here early to see, well, it's a full moon, so it's kind of bright out right now, but I wanted to catch some, try to catch some deer coming through these pines here, or any wildlife really. So I wanted to get here nice and early. Wow, this is nice. Everything's already set up. Nice. Okay. That's simple enough. We just put the, let's see. Okay, so there's little holes right here where you put, wow. This is fantastic. So I want to hurry up and get set up so I can try to get my camera and everything ready to, oops, get some good shots of the sunrise coming up through the pines. Look at there. Got a little spot. Seems sturdy. Yep. This will do. I don't know what the weight limit is. I am 165. See if it says on here. Nope. I'll post a link up on this video so everybody can check and see exactly what chair I got. Don't know why I didn't bring this to Colorado with me. This is super comfortable. All right, I'm gonna get my Canon all set up, get ready for some pictures, and hopefully we see something cool. All right, so I'm done here. I'm going to start wandering around the woods. Yeah, I'll do my second. Gonna go walk around the woods a little bit. See what cool stuff I can find. I'm gonna fold up the chair. That was the main reason for this. I'm telling you, man. You squirrels. I wanna see some deer. All right. Let's close this guy up. So I imagine. back piece has two little rods. Nice. Okay. Nice little Velcro strap. So if you do it right, it should line right up. Okay, get them all. There we go. Check. Now I know. Oh. So this folds into itself. And just like my tent, fold it up. Perfect. It's got a little handle here, but how I'm gonna carry it is going to be on my backpack here. It's got little holes that you can clip, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But I'm gonna loop it through the second to last third to last on this. Not that it matters. There you go. Approved. All right. All right. Finish packing up here and all right, so I'm out in the pines and I keep hearing these loud thuds, and I know it's coming from the trees. But I was taking some pictures and I stopped and turned around. Because it sounded really close like that. And I can't tell. I can't tell if there's a squirrel up there knocking them down. Yep. Yep, there's a squirrel. So he is... Golly. Putting in the work. But I don't want to touch too much of them, but these things, pine cones. Okay, well, I'm gonna move. I'm gonna go walk through the woods now. It's just after 7 o'clock, and I have figured out a lot with the camera. So, super stoked for all the upcoming shoots I got. This is awesome. All right, gonna go find some animals, I guess. Squirrels.